So my role at ControlUp is a field CTO for the Americas, and I've been here for 8 years. And what do I do, right? We did a presentation yesterday to our sales team, and I think the punchline of it is that the office of the CTO, where the EMEA field CTO and myself, the Americas CTO, sit, we're basically the old guys around, right? I had a slide where I showed that the five of us have a combined 45 years of experience on the product. That's almost since inception. So a lot of tribal knowledge, a lot of you know things of how can we help our customers be successful with the tool. We are very much focused into ensuring that our customers get the most value out of the product. So we work with the sales team on the pre-sales process to ensure that we're matching the right fit, the right solution to the problem that the customer has. And then we follow up with our post-sales organizations to support all of it with that tribal knowledge that can help customers use better and get more out of their investment in ControlUp. So if you look at a plane or a big piece of machinery, at the end of the day, what holds it all together is either rivets or nuts and bolts, right? You have all this complicated machinery, and at the end of the day, it's just the millions of rivets or nuts and bolts that are holding everything together. And I'm using this analogy because it's that's very visual. And when you think about digital employee experience in a big corporation or a small one for that matter, there's a lot of big pieces around, and it's all held together by these small nuts and bolts or rivets that hold it together. And I think what ControlUp is able to provide is those little attachment points, whether it's a quick action to resolve an issue manually or automated, whether it's a remote control or just being able to look at the data of hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of machines in one place and saying, I'm seeing a trend here, right? It's not yes, AI and all of that is part of what you could do. But at the end of the day, if you talk to AI experts, they're all going to tell you that without data, AI is just good for apple pie, right? But you need to feed it with data. And what ControlUp does is it gives you all that data, and then it allows you to act upon it. And whether it's apply a small resolution to a user and fix their problem, or apply that resolution at scale, but ControlUp are those nuts and bolts that hold everything together. Um, schedule reboots on machines that are powered on for more than 7 days, right? It's a simple one. But imagine if your laptop isn't rebooting weekly or bi-weekly, eventually it's going to start slowing down because memory leaks or things that are not closing or a Windows update that never completed. And if you can ensure that something makes sure that those machines are rebooted or the user is prompted to reboot, that helps. So I think that's the biggest thing I would say from all this digital employee experience hype. You need to have the data to be able to identify where the problems are, and usually the resolutions and the way to improve it are very little things. Nevertheless, they're critical.